Welcome! This video is about customer lifecycle and how it complies with GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, on volvopentashop.com. Let's register a user and see how easy the new Forget Me option works. To start with, open Login page and click the Register link. On Step 1, select your country and specify your user type, private or professional. On Step 2, fill in all the required fields: first name, last name, address, zip code, city. Additional information can be added later. Specify your email, password, and secret question in the login information section. According to GDPR, users can choose whether to receive marketing campaigns and offers or not. Please pay attention to the legal requirements. You have to agree with all the points listed below to proceed. In addition, you have to confirm that you are over 16. Note the minimum user age may vary depending on your country. Now go to your email box and click the link to complete the registration. You are done. Welcome to volvopentashop.com. According to GDPR, you can check how your personal data is processed by our website. Just click on Data Protection link in the footer to get a detailed information. And now let's see how new option works. You can request all the data associated with you to be totally removed so that you won't receive any campaigns, invitations, and other notifications from the website. You can find more details in the Data Protection section. To start with, go to the Profile menu, click Forget Me, and press Confirm. Return to your email box and follow the Remove link from Volvo Pentashop. You will be prompted to enter your password to confirm your identity. As a result, all your dealers will be informed that you are no longer available on the website. Finally, you will receive a confirmation email saying your account was successfully removed, and you are done.